Alright, here we go. Oh, there's a dog. Ancient Origins booster box. And a dog's head again. Alright, here we go.
Here we go.
I don't see them.
Hopefully we get a Mega or a shiny Groudon shiny.
I hope I want a Mega Rayquaza.
Where's the princess shoes, Grandpa? In the bench.
This could be awesome video. Oh my god. Alright, here we go. 9 packs, 9 packs.
9 packs. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9.
Corbin, you're on holidays.
We're recording, you
How
know.
are they so far? You're recording who?
We're recording Pokemon openings. It's awesome.
Alright, here we go.
Here we go. Let's mix them up.
No, you can't have that. You choose.
Just for fun.
Alright.
Mix them up.
I'm trying to
Mix
go
them
get
up.
Princess
Elsa. I learned that. Okay, first
Pack.
one
Hoopa.
is Hoopa.
What? Where does Hoopa come from?
I don't know.
Is he a new Pokemon?
I think so. If anybody knows where Hoopa comes from, please tell us
In the comments below.
in the comments below.
Can you not open that pack?
What?
I can't even open that pack, man.
Meh.
Alright, here we go. Go, Chris. Go take it. We have to play Pokemon.
Let's see, what do we got? Whimsicott, Faded Town, Blossom, Spinarak, Porygon, Unknown, Beldum, Goomy, Entei.
Ooh, is it shiny?
Nope.
Aw, but
Just
it's
a
still
regular
cool.
rare Entei and a Reverse Foil Sceptile Spirit Link.
Not too bad.
Next
Entei.
we've got Tyranitar,
Tyranitar.
Hey Sam. That's Sam.
The cat.
And that's Chewy. Chewy, leave the cat alone.
Ooh.
Lysander, Sableye, Level Ball, Quagsire, Golurk, Ralts, Oddish, Inky, Porygon, and Ancient Trait Vespa Queen.
Announcing the princess.
Princess Azalea.
Princess. Come on, princess. We're waiting on you.
Next we've got Hoopa.
Bring on the
Hoopa.
princess. Here comes the princess. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Don't jump on the princess.
Something shiny? Something
I
shiny?
don't know. We're not gonna find it.
There?
Nope, we
You
didn't.
snuck in, snuck out, or they all pretend they didn't know who you were?
Mom, we're trying to record.
So
Tyranitar, Ariados, Echo Arm, Cottony, Eevee, Oddish,
Look it.
Ralts. Wow, so pretty.
What?
You might
Come on,
have
let's
to
go.
record this later.
Magikarp, Oddish, and we've got
Oddish and
Oh.
Weirdish.
Oddish and Weirdish. We got a Full Art
Oddish and
Steven.
Wow. Holy
Search your
crap.
deck for a
What's
supporter
this game
card.
without a poster?
Oh, sorry.
Look at that.
Okay, this part is going to be crazy. Come
That's
on.
something else.
We
That's
have
something else. Anyways.
5 more packs to open.
Okay. We've got Groudon. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Here we go.
I've been on a little bit of a housework slowdown the last couple days.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, I saw something I thought.
I saw something I thought. I don't know what it is.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's
Sableye.
exciting.
Curly.
What have you got there all over the
Energy
floor?
Recycler.
Where did
Larvesta.
you get that?
Malamar. Combi. Quagsire.
What is it?
Meowth. Reverse Vaporeon. Huh?
I'm going to
Mega Ampharos.
Holy,
Nice.
do you have that one?
No, I do not.
Yay! Awesome! Check it out. Wait. I want to see that. Wow. Okay, get the next pack ready.
Yes, I did. Well, none's coming out.
Okay.
Wow, shiny. It's not really focusing.
I know I put one.
Like
That's okay. We
all.
know what it is.
Awesome.
Mega Ampharos. Next, we've got Tyranitar.
So two like super bears and like what, 4 packs. So it's kind of noisy here. So the next,
Sorry.
the next we'll go somewhere quieter.
Ace Trainer. Darkness. Dangerous Energy. Rotom. Baltoy. Malamar, Golett, Routes, Persian, Reverse Paint Roller, Metagross.
Alright, I'm gonna stop now.